Hello everybody, this is Sindesh, and for those who don't know why I'm making this video, it's because most of you guys just don't need to say it. Well, for those who don't know, my classmates are the one who told me to make this video, saying every single thing about them. And I even said I'm gonna leak one of my friend's nickname, and I'm not gonna do that again. Well, if you guys are guessing, then let's start the video. But we gotta start the video. Before starting the video, take a look at this. Created a new version of Japan. Isn't she cute? If you want me to make for you Japanese cats like this, subscribe. And I'm giving you guys a challenge. Whoever can reach my homie first will get the gold I always mention in my videos. No joke, it's actually still with me. Alright, so here was that gold I was talking about. I'm gonna give this gold for whoever reaches my house first. Okay? So just continue enjoying the video. This is a small clip of the scenario. But before that, I'll show you this magic trick. Watch. Okay, never mind. That was not part of the video. But because my friends told me to mention all of their names, I'm not only gonna mention their names, but also gonna mention every single subscriber of mine. I do it if you give me 2 extra subs. And for my classmates out there, give me 2 extra subs. Then only I'll do that video. And I was like, you guys have to remind me, okay? Good. This video is only for about 2 to 54 seconds. So hope you all have a good day. Now wait for those 10 seconds. Okay, bye.